The Page of Swords stands on a small rise beneath a restless sky, body twisted one way and head turned another, as if listening to the shifting winds around him. As Earth of Air, he embodies the awakening of the intellect, the early spark of curiosity and alertness, and the desire to understand. Where other pages open the heart, body, or spirit, this page opens the mind, stepping into a world defined by questions, perceptions, and the search for clarity. The sword he lifts is the first central symbol. Held with youthful pride, it represents the dawning of intellect, truth, discernment, communication, and the ability to cut through confusion. Unlike the king's authoritative blade or the knight's weapon of action, the page's sword is experimental, new, sharp, and still being learned. He is discovering how to use his mind skillfully. His twisting posture forms the second symbol. With feet pointed forward but torso and head turned sideways, he embodies mental agility, always scanning, questioning, and absorbing. This stance reveals dual awareness, the ability to watch multiple angles at once, to stay alert to new information, and to shift perspective quickly. It is the posture of someone whose thoughts are alive and active. The sky filled with sweeping clouds provides the third symbol. These high, fast-moving clouds represent quick thoughts, changing ideas, and the dynamic nature of mental exploration. They are not storm clouds, but winds of possibility, mirroring a mind full of potential but not yet settled. Wind whipping through his hair and clothing forms the fourth symbol. Wind is the pure expression of air, communication, intellect, movement of ideas. It stirs around him, showing both inspiration and vulnerability. The page stands amid these forces, learning how to remain steady while open to the unseen currents of thought. The uneven ground beneath his feet is the fifth symbol. It represents the early, uncertain terrain of learning, where footing is not yet secure, but elevation already gives perspective. He stands on higher ground, suggesting capacity, yet the rocks remind us that knowledge demands balance and practice. Together, these symbols show the Page of Swords as the youthful seeker of truth, the student of ideas, the budding communicator. He represents mental beginnings, curiosity, early study, honest questions, and the courage to explore new thoughts. In readings, he signals new information, study, vigilance, or the need for honest communication. He may appear as a clever, alert young person or as the querent's own emerging clarity. His shadow warns of impatience or defensiveness, yet his essence is growth through inquiry,